Welcome, Power Learners! Today's experiment is called Exploding Baggie. It's a twist on the classic baking soda and vinegar experiment. Very simple and only needs a few materials. So now, let's get started. So for this experiment, the first thing you're going to do is take a plastic baggie and put in a half cup of vinegar and a fourth cup of water as shown on the plastic bag. And then take 3 tablespoons of baking soda and put it on a piece of tissue. Then fold it as shown. After you're done folding the piece of tissue, either go outside or place a tray underneath your experiment, and then lower that piece of tissue with the baking soda into the baggie and quickly close it. Then just step back and watch what happens. You should see that the piece of paper is slowly inflating, but if it's happening very slowly, you can pick up the baggie and shake it a little bit so the baking soda goes into your mixture. And then place it down again and watch, and don't be startled. The baggie should erupt as shown. And after this happens, the experiment's done. Now let's talk about how this happens. So as we've talked about in previous experiments, baking soda is a base and vinegar is an acid. And when you combine a base and an acid, a base-acid reaction occurs, a chemical reaction. You can watch some of our past videos to understand this type of reaction. So in this case, when vinegar and baking soda are put together, carbon dioxide is formed, and this carbon dioxide keeps filling the bag until finally the baggie explodes. So that's basically what happens in this experiment. So that concludes today's experiment. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel Power Learn, and see you next time.